we are ready to take the train from Dimapur to Guwahati. The 30 Sümi passers traveling towards Mumbai to attend the All India Passers Conference. Amikan All India Passers Conference Mumbai tijase. We the 30 passers from SBAK traveling towards Mumbai to attend All India Passers Conference. We'll be moving from Dimapur railway station to Guwahati, and from Guwahati we're going to take flight and we'll be moving and traveling towards Mumbai. So keep us in your prayer. This is the short update. This is Dimapur railway station. Today, as we are traveling from Dimapur to Guwahati and then from Guwahati to Mumbai to attend All India Passers Conference, the team is going to be led by Reverend Vitoshe Aye and all the prominent leaders and pastors from SBK churches. We are going together to attend All India Pastors Conference. So we will have a short introduction. Kun pastors kan aro kun laga church ti pastors kan itu conference ti jase tai kan laga short introduction lobo itu karne please uphold us in your prayer and do share all this video and keep us in your prayer. This is our Reverend Vitoshe Aye, Mission Secretary of SBK. Pano, this is our Reverend Nisheto Chishi. He is from Shoekha Baptist Church. Shoekha Baptist Akolan. Now I ask the remaining people to introduce yourself. Na, your church, apun laga church, aro apun laga nam koi dila tini church manukani prathana kori dibo. Tai Pastor Khatobe ase, Vekho Baptist Church pray jase. The remaining all by yourself. Nijer karo. Yeshel to Baptist Church pray jase.
Ami laga nam to bikha yapchana ase. Ami Zakshe Baptist Church te pastor lagam kuras.
Thank you. Zakshe Baptist Church.
Pastor Lutoli zol. Pastor Joda Zinti Baptist Church.
Zinti Baptist Church.
Pastor Vishta Agnatotan Baptist Church. Pastor Kelu Shotan Baptist Church.
Pastor Kelu.
Pastor Toshe Surutotan Baptist Church.
Surutown from Surutown.
Baptist Church.
From Agulto Baptist Church. Pastor Neka from Melahu Baptist Church. Now remaining, I ask you to introduce yourself.
Pastor Shkaget
From Tsuruhu Baptist Church.
Pastor Yeshko Pushimi Baptist Church.
Pushimi Baptist Church Prajase Aro.
Pastor Ahoshe Okatown Sim Baptist Church.
Waka Town Sim Baptist Church Prajase.
Pastor Apeto Urban Mission Church.
Urban Mission Church Prajase. Now
Pastor Sapotimi Baptist Church.
Reverend Vitoshe from Sapotimi Baptist Church.
Pastor Kesheto Jekto Baptist Church.
Pastor Kesheto Jekto Baptist Church. Reverend Mgaho Awomi from Satami Baptist Church. Reverend Mlato Kati from Yehemi Baptist Church. Reverend Kralu, Pastor Alapun Baptist Church. Aro ami khan laga sabse dangur aro senior most Reverend aro Pastor Reverend Picto Yeptomi from Central Baptist Church Aizito taibi ami khan logati AIPC ti jase. Reverend Hento Awomi from Khetoi Baptist Church. So kiman jon church manukhan pastor ge time di ke na ami khan Mumbai All India Pastor Conference phatai di ase sob church manuke dhanyawad de ase aro ami khan laga salam phatai di ase. Church aro nam koi dile hobo
ami la nam to shikho ase ami notice new Baptist Church la number jase
from Lotus New Baptist Church Pastor Shikho.
Ami lagan nam tolle pastor hektar se Sümi Baptist Church kan prasa.
Pastor Hector from Sümi Baptist Church.
Lena marketa se ami Lisdo Baptist Church kan.
Pastor Akhatoli to Baptist Church pra jase.
Nuto from Kolebato.
Nito Pastor Nito from Koleboto Baptist Church jase. Aro Pastor Akhato from Akulto Baptist Church. To ami laga face bhi dekhai dibo chehra bhi. Ami pastor bhi botao mein ase ke Baptist Church pura ami phata ase. To kiman jon pastor khan time di gena aro sponsor kurgena Sümi churches ayuto pura phata dia ase. Sob churches ke ami khan dhanyawad dia ase. Shikim digi pesim aku ko pastor ke jeno pastor ko puan geno kamse aku ko kamse shikim chani eno nong na do arju ka kin pesim pastor ko puwa ge to nong kirim lo ning pastor kamse cho khasbeni itenim ye Dimapur railway station no mani Dimapur railway station ko lo na tani ye khobi Guwahati na agyol kusani Mumbai lo nang ge to no ning no video ki shift thing no nong lo yana yana update chanan ge kamsa na channel ba subscribe channel ning khek ko cheno akin lo ning khasben ge nong kamsa shikim chani alu she